3 minutes past 4 p.m. today. Now, away from that, to our focus on today's conversation, after about 10 years when Justice Olukayode Ariwoola retired as Chief Justice of Nigeria, another woman is set to become the next Chief Justice of Nigeria, as Justice Ariwoola will be retiring on the 22nd of August after the attainment of 70 years. The National Judicial Council, at its 106th meeting, presided over by the Chief Justice of Nigeria, recommended Justice Kudirat Kekereekun to President Tinubu for appointment. TVC News senior reporter Celestina Area takes a look at the process of nomination of a Chief Justice, its long-standing tradition, and who will fill the shoes of outgoing Justice Ariwoola.
It is a common saying in law that there must not be a vacuum. As one Chief Justice of Nigeria leaves, another is recommended and nominated. Justice Olukayode Ariwoola was born on 22nd August 1954. On 22nd November 2011, he was appointed to the bench of the Supreme Court of Nigeria.
Olukayode, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance.
He was appointed Substantive Chief Justice of Nigeria on 27th July 2022, following the resignation of Chief Justice Tanko Mohammed, as he then was, and formally confirmed Chief Justice by the Nigerian Senate on 21st September 2022. The tradition has always been the second in line will succeed the outgoing CJN. There has never been an upset when it comes to succession to the office of the Chief Justice of Nigeria. The Federal Judicial Service Commission will nominate 2 names to the National Judicial Council for recommendation to the President. The names will be placed under priority and reserved. The priority will be the name of the second person in line, while the reserved will be the third person in line. The most preferred candidate is placed under priority, and if there is a reason why such a candidate cannot be recommended, the reserved candidate will then be considered. In this case, Justice Kudirat Kekereekun is the second in line among the justices of the Supreme Court to succeed Justice Olukayode Ariwoola. Her name will be placed on priority, while the third in line, Justice Iyan John Okoro, will be placed on reserved. The committee responsible for screening and recommendation of judges is chaired by the second in line. In this instance, Justice Kekereekun, being the second in line, cannot chair the committee that would oversee her screening. The chairmanship position moves to the third in line. Justice Iyan John Okoro, who will also be screened, cannot also chair the committee as he is a reserved candidate. The chairmanship position then goes to the third in line, which is Justice Uwani Musa Abaji. If this age-long tradition is followed, Justice Kudirat Kekereekun will become the next Chief Justice of Nigeria and the second female Chief Justice Nigeria will have after Justice Aloma Mariam Mutar. The first female Chief Justice of Nigeria was sworn in on 16th July 2012 by former President Goodluck Jonathan as the 13th indigenous Chief Justice of Nigeria and conferred on her Nigerian National Honor of the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger. She was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from July 2012 to November 2014. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.